words just for you. P is for pencil, we used to write, drawing stars and shapes so bright. P is for paint, colors galore, let's paint rainbows on the floor. P is for popcorn, pop, 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 watch it dance and never stop. P is for playground, swing and slide, let's play together, side by side.